About 12:30. Darren's got everything unloaded already this morning. I'm out here gonna get it all washed up. Short week, especially with a holiday week, or holiday today. We gotta be ready to go in the box Thursday night, leave for LaSalle Friday around, I don't know, 11, noonish, somewhere around there. But that's what's going on out here. Finished 8th Saturday night at Fairbury, 7th last night at Spoon River. So good weekend. We went from 10th to 7th in points, and less than 100 out of 5th. He the number 1. He the number 2. Getting this thing cleaned up. So one less thing to do. 3.5 hours later, everything's cleaned up. Put back away and ready for maintenance tomorrow night. I think it'll be, everybody will be out here tomorrow night, I do believe. What do you think, Ollie? Did you have to use every tire in the tire rack in the trailer?
We did.
I can tell. Yeah. Did you do that? Well, it's Tuesday.
You good, man? No. What made you do that?
Just didn't want to have to cup another complete tire in case we didn't have to, but it's done now. We ain't gonna keep around that. That was just for Sunday.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you did that to a wreck there.
No, fuck no.
That's left front.
You have an old
Yeah, I got a couple junk ones.
Yeah, getting our weekly maintenance done. See if we can knock it all out tonight and have it pretty close to ready to go. See how that works out. Cotton. Nicholas just got here getting started on tires. Dave's about done with the rear end. He'll start on the front end. Never ending grind. DK performing surgery on the rivet gun. He's not happy about it either.
No. Pretty proud of that. Oh, there's another ball.
This piece goes right here. It tore it about halfway down, so we got to fix that and put a new one on. Straighten that out. Got to straighten this out. Tire guy's still over there doing tires. We got stuff going on everywhere here, trying to straighten the lance on the nose. We did get the spoiler fixed. Added this piece here. Real good. You want to hang up the phone after, as soon as I start recording. Ding dong. Yeah. Probably. Getting the bugs off the front of this thing so we could see. Max slaughtered every one he could this weekend. Got our chemical guy's bug remover, and it works great. Don't hardly have to scrub at all, and they just come off. Oh yeah. Truck's full. Debugged. Got all we can get done on this done tonight. I think that's going to do it for this one. I won't be out here the rest of the week till we leave Friday. But thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. We got twin 25 features Friday night at LaSalle, paying $5 grand a piece. 50 lap feature, I believe, Saturday night, paying $25,000. This will be a big weekend for us. Catch you all later.